Today, I woke up feeling invigorated and excited to share how we separate our Earthwormade earthworms from Vermi compost. For the Earthwormade team, this is a thrilling moment harvesting the high-quality Vermi compost we've dedicated time and energy to produce, bringing one of nature's true miracles to you and your plants. For our earthworms, it's an adrenaline-filled experience that even base jumpers can appreciate. The earthworm compost mixture is gently spread onto our Earthwormade stainless steel harvesting screens. Earthworms live naturally within the ground and away from light. When exposed to the warm South African sun and light, they quickly wriggle away from the light and seek the comfort of deep dark soil, or in this case comforting compost. In no time the earthworms were slippering downwards through the stainless steel mesh, taking the death-defying plunge, gently landing on a fresh bed of pre-composted material, safe and sound to continue producing Earthwormade Vermi compost and Vermi tea. If you enjoyed this Earthwormade content explaining how Earthwormade earthworms go base jumping safely, hit like. If you want to find out more about our products, ask us a question in the comments section below.